obekanya kopem say ye be declare all polling stations unaccepted defeat that ba wa kura ya na 2017 wo de beto dwa say President Mahama senka wan accepted defeat in term and otwentwen so a nka ne wo Canada Japan wo de ba ye no 2017 January wona wotena Oman FM eka say na President Mahama mpesa obe accepted defeat in term na nka wa accepted defeat and otwentwen so a nka ne wo de ba kwa ye no woni fie ho no 2017 and now you 2025 oh ka say ye wo a ka won accepted defeat but 2017 now wo Canada Japan now wo warn Canada President Mahama e wo Oman FM say na President Mahama empesa obe accepted defeat na nka wo ye mistake ya nka wo be hu ne ode be ye no ade no empesa obe accepted defeat because science ne ye clear say wo lusu a ese say wo accepted defeat na nka de ode be ye no ne wakwa gina ho say Bawumia wo ye Bawumia ka won accepted defeat because ye lusu wo kura ya wo say we lost the 2024 elections in 2022 and no ye one nja say wo no ni message say wo na nkasa no esese ye fa wo say ye to paahwi say the campaign manager Kwame Osu epa MPP for acho so ye sorry na nko de nipa bone na ebetena ye konso 2023 no a na wagya wachidie no said ya wonkrofo no nyina gya wachidie no ese say beduru baba ye beto paahwi because we say we lost the election in 2022 na Bawumia kra nye frabera na ye mi elections nye den entumu eno ye one ye to abawie ye wo say Bawumia Ghana for to abatia no because oye kramoni aba wa wuji to mu say ye to tia Bawumia because oye kramoni no wo say e man accept defeat wo ye ni papa tio campaign na wo kono woni message ye asem ne baba toy ha ye betire omu agu animal because ba akofo wo say Ghana for to abatia Bawumia because oye kramoni enti ko ma to abatia Bawumia so oye kramoni awalusu no enti man accept defeat he enipa oso ono no oda sore a oda eniema mienu sika ne ntokwa obi antokwa ho de na oso de ba bi asese okopa president di ye Congo because Canada Japan there yes because what the kana come obi ate say wo de ye ntokwa ne de ntokwa ne sika ho de nkwa na oso enti obi a wo de ntokwa ho ayi na oso de Ghana president mfatao because ba bi o mo kompa ntokwa wo a wiase nyina ntimi solve problem no aye DR Congo enti obi a wo so ntokwa ho dai de ate se ba na nka ho na posters ye nan etetare because we no supporters nam say Ghana for eto abatia Bawumia because oye kramoni and now wa kra we nam say kramoni na lusu aba but because of say o accept early defeat ninti and ma ye lusu ye one person now can sem na se tokuro bedama na bronye ebetena ha na majaja gu so na mayini one because before answer na meba no na me secretary for mienu ya dwene ho o me secretary for no afia Schwarzenegger na Ghana jollof o mo na ye me secretary for o mo ye secretary for minimum ba o mo nya twere ba dia makenkan anti kramoni na wo se Ghana for pen no and nadia wo se kramoni na accept early defeat and until elusu ye and the MPP for montoma Bawumia 2028 no Bawumia ba win because ba wo se Bawumia win ye na mom o accept early defeat into the year and the Bawumia ye marketed or ye marketer dada ya marketing dada or ye marketing candidate we marketed him 2024 and tie din no ho dada because sa din na wo ka no sa din ne we ni aba na mo wo se o accept early defeat and ye jana man nko biem just say be ka chance man accept early defeat na obi a wo se ntokwa na opede Ghana president no o ma ba bia ampe ntokwa ba bia president fata wo Kennedy Japan ye DR Congo hono omokum enti wo pe ntokwa fa ko ho ba ye no nso a yete ade DR Congo no ye mfiri ho ba de wo ntokwa no wani ade no ye de wo de ba ye kona ne so ha oh ye de ya ye ne makofuo me ntokwa no ma ye ne makofuo na mednam ho han people bia control me na me control me ho me na me kase we me nye me ni godfather one people mu obi anya madamfo nti me kase we me nye enti no won takwasam na wo de nama wo fi se wo ye obi ama wo nya obi o wonya obi I am saying say won say presidential candidate me catch you praying sansam no kra wo nama wo keka no I disqualify because they say no abebe daddy sa ba ye kwa akoto no honorable Kennedy Japan oni message ba kofo ena ba omia ye say ba omia ye kamoni entire olusu ye afede ba omia accept defeat in term entire ma ye lusu ye he oni message kaje oni message 2012 elections no yana accept defeat early no and they win by ana Kennedy Japan 2012 elections MPP yana accept early defeat no and they win by ana o message na tonsuom uni message MPP delegates anymore yenim kwana wo to gas mu wonama won kan no kranchre MPP polling station executive say Nanado aban wo ka ho no de asie wo kasa te say Nanado amamu no nka ho enso na ye appointee board time and Ghana gas atnasia to gas him the whole of 2024 what nasia to gas him sa because Bawumia be di president ye oya o pese Bawumia lutu na onya message o message na nya adwuma ye de Bawumia na ekọ Bawumia 2029 inshallah onyame owosori ebe mana di president no enu ntina wo ka asema na nyame ama ya dwene se ye mayiwa no ne ebe yiwa no producer bon video no
when we need 4th November now on free MPP
condition yes me free but metinum no metiti
wow party
yeah metiti
when we need 4th November now on free MPP
condition yes me free but metinum no metiti
wow party
yeah metiti
when we need 4th November now on free MPP
condition yes me free but metinum no metiti
wow party
yeah metiti
when we need 4th November now on free MPP
condition yes me free but metinum no metiti
wow party
yeah metiti
atitini bi say no ye Ghana gas nyina e wo krom ha no ono na kire say gas ye produce gas ya yato ade aba manum ene ne ya ankasa ya produce no ye de begi say ye mfa say ma e bota man no ne board no ene tenase no ma kire ampa so olusu aba no otete MPP pass wo de amontwe the whole of 2024 bosomi bia na Kennedy Japan mo to gas mu ma afere ma video we ase o si on film na mo betiti MPP and to you soon the brasa board time and Ghana gas because anyama ni nyina no on ma approval gas in it ton bia Ghana gas in control gas ya be produce okroma ne ne ya be kra e di free outside ya ba no Ghana gas in control Ghana gas in control sisani nyina not the boa to so all because Ghana ha a fear bia ni ho mun use gas Ghana ha ye use petrol ye use gas HM petrol because every house and nay metima kase 20% of our household biano yawa gas ho aye yusu ofa nkura kese no Greater Accra metima ka say 89% of the household in Greater Accra use gas. 89% Asante region use gas. Bono regions are a northern region, upper east, northeast, Savannah region, western region, central, eastern, and so on and so forth. Omu use gas. Mumi sana say as a board chairman, muna namu control gas prices. Muna namu crack gas, muna namu produce gas no. The whole of 2024 no gas in kwa Canada Japan tumu ba kwa ekum MPP November de na otumu no. All because all magana fo mu use gas. Where school fo a wo mu wo school mu a wo mu kita cylinder. Eto gas. Student dodo a wo mu to gas na November school ni kwa akoto aba December na November ya to gas mu which is a student ni mpie meto aba eno ntira omo nyina mpie meto aba no wo ko teacher training college wo mu yu cylinder nkitenkete bi wo ha wo mu yu gas wo ko nursing training university graduate for wo ko various private and then public institutions nyina no wo mu yu gas cylinder nketewa bi wo ko fere na wo ho na November election year ye kwa akoto aba ne ya to gas mu enkra we nyina se ye nto aba wo wia wo se ba omia wo ni problem no ye besia edadoada ene ye weekend di trader Kwame on kan ho no moye ho ban on tre ne nsa kese no wo ye so on to Jericho afasuo no mfamfa ye ho tumi biara emfiri awurade akabriche tumi maame wata tumi aquatic spirit agbaragba tumi bia oso obesia mene mahwefo say ya yasi say ya kwantuo mu say ya ba ada security agencies ni nyina hwehwe wa ente se kantete na police fo ba beda wuram soldiers fo hwehwe obi a de so ko lay ambush ye nyina ye nkora ye hu ye se police fo pepe obi a chene na to mu nya no na se nipa na sora and this area ho no police fo no kope obi fie etena no mo hye ho no mo hwese nipa na wo area ho no time say ye benya no nti se police fo ko handan samre ni nyina ba ye nya ban bia oba ya se eye how abefo digitalization ye wura ba omia e de support to doctor His Excellency Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo amamuo no ena omo kasi ani enti se police fo ko lay ambush atwhwe obi no eno ye Nkrumah days eno ye Domahama administration part 1 na atwam na mom Nana-Addo ba omi administration na omo de ba 2017 to 2024 no security ababe ye abefo de security akọ internet so awudie bia be koso bia wo maimu ha no Ghana ba bia Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edi security nsensem koye no ye di security nsensem ekoya ma ne be yese o mine security ni kura no ya digitalize no enti ema police fo ye wo madwuma na mo mre enti adubuahin kwabra adubuahin ya ye twe na bo so we no ono na di equipment machines ya ba say obi adibone an Robert ya bo obi tuo yes o eye Kofi Adubuahin na kwose baabi ye nya Kofi Adubuahin number ni say woman babi o se bia Ghana Police Service for ebetima yeden ayi naba me kama ahwefo nyina atiase se Kwabena Adubuahin ya ne ye twi na bo so a media da bia me kase oye 100% innocent no enam ne so ena Canada fo ma ya womo kidnap womo wa Asante region na 3 months ye hu no omo no eye Kwabena Dubuahin ya remo acha di trogu no so say wato adane 22 abesi na enye nokore no enam ne so ono ene boa national security because ni dwumadie as a director general national signal bureau bibia ekoso na se fa telephone nkomodia bibia ekoso na se fa telephone nkomodie nko ade a Kwabena Dubuahin de obeto fam ultimi nyimfiri ne nsam da enti anam Kwabena Dubuahin so ana Ghana fo mbakaya Canada fo maya ye kidnap wo mo man Ghana nka e ba be di mbonesem na kidnapping sem estati ye na nka egu o man na nimase no eye Kwabena Dubuahin na stop us ade no eye ne machines ni bia or the mass security agencies. In fact, ono ka ho bi na di animu through security yedi akwa digital edi animu na okwa Asante region odura Asante region no Kwabena Dubuahin ene ka kire national security force enkrofo na maya na ya kidnap omo no wo mo hye we mu mo kwa mo behu so omo wo ho eye Kwabena Dubuahin ene yes ade bananka Ghana senka ya hu sa Canada fo mano enam no kasaya kabia goman Ghana ene Canada ntam kayenim niasi kaye wo kasia because we signal Canada banje ba yeso omo madisia enye sa Ghana fo a wo Canada no ni ebesi a enipa wa mayenuanom a omo wo Canada omo tukwan kwakoye adwuma na omudi bia besom o man Ghana enipo si santokwana no kwan a antima maso na nam se dwuma di o man ne di ahye ne nsa oye no waye ne yie nti no otimi di national security anim ama ye bowura Asante region self container ye de man akwa no eye wo mo kidnap maya no kwose ho enwanwa because wo mo yes ade ni nyina no otimi track ye wo mo course saa mo hu ba bia man no hye e ma national security kokoyi wo mo e de wo mo hye Canada aban ensa ambassador e wa ha e ma mo boaye e facilitate ye e ma mo koye anti e ba niema yemfa moa na oman bambo ntumpanwa na nado ba omia ayebi na oma yebi pa se ye bo mabato na niema ye di abasisi ano enam se NDC abai wini ye 2024 na ye do omusi akonwa so 2025 January 7 January no security niema binum wo ho a niye yatete no machine ho no because every equipment bia ye bakra edi ama department bia no ye training crofo every equipment ya agency bia beka say ye hia computer ye be hia ko omo ye omo wo computer ho nimde no makwako ye nyina nim say computer ba ne sa niamai ye training crofo by agencies dodo na training encrofo sa so na nei ukwa UK ukwa Germany ukwa US ukwa Australia ukwa Canada ani amanya peja kantite na ye sore ne de garden gon asen ye kondiama security fo ne adam crofo mo boa abo man ho ban na ye de ase omo konkita tuo di kono dabi and na ye the internet and a fighting against crime ye tu ase wote ha wo bopo say me kwa kodi bone no wote ho no ma na o maba bone na wo kwa kodi ni yate ntenu ntina ye bai na o mafa oboko enunti me the UK ye example UK say would bone na the next 16 hours se bambofo a ewo UK antimanchewa won che obi UK so would bone na se the next 16 hours ye nyawanchewa na biache na ye nyere ye nchew na mom UK mana e down so di bonia the next 16 hours uwura ntu ase krombe ba be fa wonsuo na ase because bambo no wo mo de akọ internet so bambo na duruba bia CCT UK abonten so afuo mu nyina akra CCT cameras ye den eye adwuma enai ye da sorry ya Assembly national security babe kachire Ghana for no you can't think far na mema Ghana for hu say wo masem no as say ye kana president yankasa bam President John Dramani Mahama should come in so far as this matter is concerned no any kwansa president and vice an interior minister or no national security so a serious matter and now that sorry ya a mrantia be a carry omo kita omo ho so omo ye national security operatives na sa national security operatives say national security na asoma omo and Omako University of Ghana. University of Ghana, Omo Livestock and Poultry Research Center. No. Oh, a war years, a war decades. And nene war. Nasa University of Ghana, Livestock and Poultry Research Center. Ya me kan wan semino. Abua wo man Ghana e fa kwana ye dane ye nuane ani e kwana wo mafa so aye research ama agric tumpon enye ne ene wo ho University of Ghana Livestock and Poultry Research Center amaya twa ho ahia eba ho ebeji nimdie Burkina Faso eba ha ebetire no omo nkrofo eno na omo firi ase se omo nantwie so kwo Burkina so yi bagridam na wo mo de ye tomero eno ena ye ba bi omo nya revenue pa sa tomai bagridam na omo de ye omo ntosi na uji enu firi wa ade ba ko Burkina man enya sika firi mu eye nantwie adwuma ya eniama mienu ana duru Burkina man na ekita o man no anantwiyan ene tomero eno na ye ma no kokofa ba na sa University of Ghana Livestock and Poultry Research Center ye wo hoi no Burkina man every year biano womo de nkrofo ba ema sa research center no etiti womo ema womo de ko Benin eba Togo eba Ivory Coast eba University of Ghana Livestock and Poultry Research Center enti sa center na e wo honom no emfasodia ewo a ekoso de ma Africa no enya senkuma because emwa ayan yeti kromai anya akokọ na ya ponche anya ponche na ekrokro anya krokro na ya odwan anya odwan no na ye nantwie anya nantwie no na eye praku no mu was a center kese we ya and this some man na yet training crofo bebre veterinary doctors our margin titie binom ba ho for further ayi studies near the ade betra ho ye research the some man no o man ye pottery yes Ghana se wo kan o man ye pottery adwuma Africa ha na chese Ghana ye hura di kan no research papa ejina so ma ene ye free teten kokwa ye na o mani denden no a wo pena chena and this take you 2 days emre bi atwam o pa kokwa ye nkwa na akase ya bodua ubetu mirika utimi tumrika na fedo 9 kra ye den afuma enne sankokwa na o manin sade no ye yi o ma free system no e won so o na mo dede no o nya papa ubetima tu amerika na fedo akokwa na nam ne kra ye den afuno ana ye di true research abefu nimdie ye dane no ese pem wa wo magim kakra ni yi saa sabe mirikatuo basa no ye dey efrimu yetima danania through this center University of Ghana Livestock and Poultry Research Center ama ne poultry ababe yesika de amai aye gusu aye tra say o man Ghana abaya wa promises oba Obama poultry atumpom e won manifesto mo abanya waba or say Obama make sure say enkokwa said the promise Ghana for 2012 so ba poultry pa kokwa de yan krabin firi amanone no moto abama na Obama make sure say Ghana ha ye betimi aye a poultry ni bi na ye ya export no after the 2015 na poultry nko a yakra di free amanone aba no na ye $300 million on one kasa State of the Nation address 2014 $300 million nkese bosha o share no 2012 no wantima ni so e wo poultry ho 2024 President John Dramani Mahama sana promise so be make sure say Ghana Africa had ye ne be hura dikan e ba poultry dwumadia ye da sore ya emrantia ye to abawie ye no makọ ye national security for no makọ tema port ye national security for no makọ maritime authority ye national security for no mabo awura kokobot ye national security for no mo satellite post ye no mawura hospital sanyama we nyina no enam se president nantiman put in measures to curb the situation no and aginsam president or promises or ba Ghana be ya o manya bibrem anyina poultry ye na yahura dikan no na poultry no nya che so da ni yahura dikan ye proper research ehu akokwa ye bawe ye proper research ehu se de kosua e koman mu no eye se nipa bedi ye proper research hu se ye moa anyare wo mo ye research hu enura wo mo yan empontine dodo enura ye de ba ma mo a yade bi nkotinsi wo mo so e ma nipa nkonkowi enwuo eye prakwa wo mo ye research papa hu se enuana ombedie ye de ba feed wo mo na moa no yade bi nkomom na nipa nkonkodi e ma ne e afetie eye nantwi the same thing ye da sore ya bia ye be hwese o man no moa because ye po ye mpel ye nipa die ye ne moa e na sebe ye betena na entime mase ye nipa so ye betena sa emoa no so nka ye ho amon kan ye ho a enye yie yenyintum saa yentimi ntena man mu ha enkokon kan ye ho a ebeyie yentimi ntena krom ha emponche enkan ye ho a ebeyie yentimi ntena krom ha o enantwie enkan ye ho a enye ye nipa die ese saamwa no kan ye ho na mom saamwa no yes ye hianim defo a wombetima kwete saamwa no eduru se ye dan no aduane die mu a emma me ha ye nipadua ye da sore ya emrantie bi se womo ye national security operatives national signal brief antimanhu national security ni mo hwe BNI a na ye kan NIB National Intelligence Bureau no antimanhu hwe na Livestock and Poultry Research Center wo University of Ghana yetimanko sum center nagu adwiragu say ye national security operatives na national security aso ye ne afiri say ye madwiri center no center na ye moden ebesi ne ye nim honwe ye dwiragu afena Director of National Security, Director of Operations, National Security, wakwa jina ho say enye National Security for na somo na they are investigating sankrofo na omo ko honom ko yes no hey so under President John Dramani Mahama National Security operatives do assign ye wo Ghana ha muma yehu National Security Secretariat no do assign any ye wo Oman Ghana ha President Mahama etiso ma yehu because eye na sedie say University of Ghana sukua president koye school President Mahama koye school mimi ko bie Sukua Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo Kobe, former President Kobe. Sukua J.E. Mess Kobe. Ah, you know what I'm saying, amen. National security for yes, so we emrantia bi so we national security operatives. Akwako sum dinagu. I'm a director of operations akwako gina ho say enyo omo na sum omo. Na nkrofo bi use national security din until they are investigating. I am asking, sir, the National Intelligence Bureau, the National Signal Bureau, any national security, Ghana ha. Obi free mindful froso betwashe Ghana swa. The National Intelligence Bureau I said here say ombe maya swati say ebinu beto ache so obi free man fufuro bi so beto ache so the National Signal Bureau I said here say ombe alert ye say enkrofo bi person beto share so national security na said here until I say national security. Na say to kroma say na say nkrofo bi timi use national security din awiakete ekobubu Ghana ya japade kase egu fam ama national security babonten say san nkrofo na omo yesa no omo impersonate national security dina. Then we are not safe as a Ghanaian. The Ghanaian people are not safe. Hey, mera hone munko tie die japa kan ebra munko bubu Legon Livestock and Poultry Research Center ebra munko bubu ye
You know, there are a lot of people who roam around claiming to be coming from national security, perpetrating all manner of, doing all manner of things. We've been arresting them. We've been prosecuting them. So national security is doing everything possible to protect the image of the institution and also the interest of the nation and our assets. So if I am here and people are claiming that they are from national security, they came to do this, and I'm here trying to get to the bottom of it, you can then understand. You can understand the reason why I'm here. So just hold on and let's delve into it. All those who are roaming around claiming to be national security without authorization and certification, we will have our ID cards and other things. I just want them to understand that we are coming for them. We are not going to allow them to drag national security image into the matter. So any citizen that feels that the operation that is being carried out is not official, it's a rogue operation, national security doors are open 24 hours. You just call and then a team will be dispatched to come and ascertain. And those found culpable, we'll arrest them. Those who that ran away, we'll track them down. We'll have all what it takes to track them down. So long as we're on this planet, it's just a matter of time. You know, there are a lot of people.
You see, I hope say, yet your maimuha, non national security, catcher, yes, say. Bibisa Kwaswa, we should respond to them. Hey, national security now see and report on. But yo, national security omo hot number bit to set fire. Any police for banana. That be national tiamu mi say Japa say national security omo hot number. Ah, omo buy omo di ye adwuma no any money. National security obi impersonate mo awia kete. The cars yakwa jina ho asi macho man for ekitatuo ekita national security for ID card achise wo mo jacket afi na ose enkrofo binum ekita mo ID card no mba investigate ntino efiri na ekọ no wo ma hu se enkrofo bebre e the national security dinam o ma ye ID cards Brabel report meaning say mo wo director of operations o our national security aso e monti asem o kan enkrofo binum aye ID card bebre so mo ye national security operatives no mo monitor omo wa mo hwehwe binum we are prosecuting them mpacho. From 2025 for am taking over. Emrantia do say na macho am do am kokotwa because you use the word prosecution. Antim bebisa Japa question. Say finisa am taking over 2025. Emrantia do say and I impersonate wo ma use national security dini a wo nya national security for na national security akwakote omo edo omo akokot court beya mo do omo ko high court na mo do omo ko circuit court na district court because court me ensan na mo te sa ankrofo na mo do omo ko nti impersonation there e circuit court na mo do omo ko nti akra ha no ana o man Ghana circuit court bebrebe no court ben na national security for ati obi a o si na o impersonate so you should national security din so ye adwuma wo ho ana national security na asoma tonko ye we ne ya ti obi court be na o ma ti obi dinako nipa ne din di sen enipa dodo asen na ma ti wo mo na o mu din di sen court be na o mu do o mu koye second court na wo fahin e wo adenta e wo fahin e wo main court ha e wo court yard ho ana old court ho nom opposite BOG honum e what time second court ana fahin na we let us know na judge kura mo de koye na Sankrofo bin modi kanachi omo a womo impersonate with the name of national security no judge ni din decide. You see asemo ma ema nipa ma metrase enipa hu microphone enipa hu centrofo gina nanima o kasate se ne 35 million no a ye wo fi a ye hwe no o nyansa chen ye nyina. But esa hu se enye yie sa sa wo microphone no a wo pesa o kasa ye the microphone aben unti o pesa o kasa ma ye 35 million o pesa o chese wo na wo nyansa dia you lie back enye yie da ben na Richard Japan hu say enkrofo binum impersonate national security omo ye hemfafo a womo ye hemfafo a besi na ye hu omo ye bisa Richard Japan say senka Lego Livestock and Poultry Research Center no senka o man kwankwa bubu a nka Richard Japan de baba beto Ghana fo anim say enkrofo binum impersonate with national security name ana ye bisa na se timitna o man mu ha na a very important place like the Livestock and Poultry Research Center at University of Ghana. A man for timi bawura ho. What? Nka what? Woman timi bawura ho. Ekoko dwirigu adia aserve o man Ghana ne other countries for over 50 years now. Over 50 years now. And as our Livestock and Poultry Research Center na wo ye that's what ya President Mahama Penso a oso de nkokwa nketenkete beba no oso de nkokwa nketenkete beba no babi a omba kire se nkokwa nketenkete nuro wei na yemfa ma omo no yesi nkrofo bi ye national security operatives wo mako sumagu abubu agu na national security force womunya awe bia naifo antima hu say da say enkrofo binum ekwakobu University of Ghana Livestock and Poultry Research Center mukobu agu bia naifo hu enkrofo o maba mo ba ye national signal brew honom na brew honom na amanfo di bone a yetimi kire stop no mo ba mo se mo no mo ntimi nya adwuma mo fi se NDC for na nko occupy a very sensitive agency no mo de why ye politics enkrofo a oman no atete o mo ye technocrat o mo nye politics na oman na bo mo ho kado o makwa amano ne akotire no mo na mo na one national signal bureau honom no na bibi ba be koso a wo mo alert BNI wo mo alert national security no mo ba ye no mo se sankofo no nyina no wo mo ni MPP aye adwuma da nti wo mo nkofie mo de NDC fo aba betra machines ni na sisi wo no machines na sisi wo manim no at sakraman da semina ho na ontime nwibie because kraman de o de semina to nanima obeda ho afebo onfa na nse nyeden ensom enti sankrofo na mo pam mo every national signal bureau honom a wo mo na wo machines a o man na kraba hunim de so bi din komo kwa kodi bone a wo betima kire no mapam mo ema mo kofie wo mo de o man na heda kotete wo mo politics nti mo to mo nkotena fie o makwa kotena fie andi sifo na mo do o makotena sa machines we hu no onim is no one was because onimu isia entimi mata obehu was da obia nim yase ha onim isia obehu was ya baba what you say mako buagu enti sankrofo na oman no bo o mo ka no senko mugu so wo ha nke bra ye bopo boni say ye kobu oman na japade kese sei no komba signal BNI signa ba Ghana Police Service ene ade na say awie afa na director of operations akwa gina ho say ye beyam hwehwemu na ade na bomb bibi yesi okwato se nipa mienu ko a emuafo ansa uti asem ni bia no wabisa se na no de na siye enyemra sa asem wey ye hia a bipartisan committee as a parliament etimi set up committee now we more investigating Legon. I am calling on the Speaker of Parliament say on setting up a bipartisan committee to investigate demolition na akoswo our University of Ghana livestock and poultry research center no because babin munyina mo ye Legon product as say ye hwehwem ni ehun de ntia enipa beda asore na so ya enu na hwe ye research ya emwa eninam krom mponchi nwana nantwie eye research ehun kwana samwo yi ye betima video mo na ene ye ne ye nipa no asetena because eno eso kan abrabon enu na dodo na ye die ni yakobu research center no atuagu because obi pe asase no e de asi hostel obi pe Legonfo asase na fa it's a bipartisan committee bi akwaso because yentimi nantore ema obi nya kokuduro emfa the alleged national security operatives no enkodwiri a whole Legon livestock and poultry research center enwiri ngu ekire say obi si akire etiye we don't need the national security to investigate this matter as a parliament na investigate na no credit because nientia me ametiai I don't trust the national security say one by proper investigation fasa demolition no one say Oma ye bi di atre Legonda 2014 national security for eko demolish Legonfo Tobut womuko buguye ebra court kura ka say national security any to me say ombe ben Legon Tobut ho na court issue injunction restraining the national security from demolishing the Tobut no yeah that's sorry yeah no not then national security coordinator Lieutenant Bevrolate akwako bu ignore the court order akwako bu Tobut no agufam etinai 11 years ago muko bu Legon Tobut national security for 11 years ago exactly 11 years near and muko bu Legon Tobut guye a brand court were restraining national security from interfering with the activities of University of Ghana. Men kai Ghana for 11 years ago na Andis Nebu mine 11 years ago na President John Dramani Mahama na ye president and the national security for a say University of Ghana so and now President Mahama and a president BM and a national security for Akwakwo Bubu University of Ghana Livestock and Poultry Research Center. First one now your president and Omubu Tobut Nuguye. Second one we are president and Omako Bubu Livestock and Research Poultry Research Center. Agu etine abefun hwehwemu a ye beye ade aboa Ghana ye poultry no ekọ and the 2014 demolition no Daily Graphic Online e publish here eno na da honom no we evidence based 2014 2014 Daily Graphic Online na mo yes demolition no 14 years ago ana mo yes ade no 14 years ago gate ni na da ho no what you say 18 February 2014 ana mo ko bu University of Ghana tobu tunugu ye ene na da ho no ana Daily Graphic Online and my publication no baby am ko demolish ye ni nyina no eno na da honom no the video no be my 14 years ago 14 years ago my emra be 14 years ago dumadi a muye ye ekobu lego tobu tugu ye na ye da sore ya 14 years 2014 President John Dramani Mahama was the president and omukobu tobu tuguye 2025 President John Dramani Mahama and the president of Ghana womakwakobu Lagos Livestock and Poultry Research Center agu etrese and this yabanyan kasano and the University of Ghana ewo problem yes because nano mukasem be investigating at the report waba ebesin ne mo anya na mo de kofi and na de asi ya and then you see yesu a mo see a impersonation as a say parliament bam na parliament ba hwehwem as a say yet by partisan yi na national security coordinator and the director of operation or more appear before parliament now mo kwatrem Nienti ayati kroma na nkrofo betimi personality with the name of the national security anye ehu pa because o personality national security dia a serious matter a security threat anti babia mistake ni free baro asise ka ho asem konano mu ye obi anka ho asem sa yete ha abrantia onu akwakoji sika se mi besi factory abua o man Ghana na mabunu anya adwuma ye mi besi factory ama mabunu aye den anya adwuma ye no abanse samba ya yes order from above we are from the National Security Secretariat factory all see never funny pa 4,000 order from above ye free ye national security for omako bu factory no agu because mufi say oye MPP ni but onya MPP ni oye ni businessman oye na juma madam nye MPP ni oye ni businessman oye na juma na all pese obuasi factory man mabunu yaden enya juma yaden eye abanse samba ya musif order from above national security said ebesin ne national security timahwe babi aka nipa bes close to 3,500 to 4,000 ebe ye adwuma no yakobu agu yesi order from above obi anka hohwe president anka hwe na ye wo manmu na unemployment rate kwasoro enai and this mabunu in all the 16 regions say o ma hu sem panfo no kwa na edidi bocha o mo say wombe ma o madwuma no o ma hu say asa o mu ni adwuma bi ademam adwuma no bi na order from above national security mrantie akobu danagu all because remoata ka say obe make sure say madan dan no obe buagu ampa wa buagu remoata said it
working before they grant to
apanese madan bia obe faso ye da sore ya order from above yakoko budanagu adanya ebetima fa Ghana mabunu close to 4,000 ye buagu order from above na ekasa adwuma aban ko adwuma eno na ne andisi mabuna soro muso yi all the 16 regions because of who sent paying for no my brother asesa spray na mo use 2024 no and na mo call mo nchana spray no asesa mo spray asesa mo moto mo sent asesa because 2020 no na mo sent ye different 2025 mo sent ye different enti angi si mabunu ne say wo ma hu sent paying for ne didija omo enti all the 16 regions omo ba be ye demonstration because and this in mabunu so mo kwa akọpa adwuma e na ko wayiye so na wo mo wom kura no over nipa be 13,000 10 months ne yentu omoka 10 months ne yentu omoka wo mo wa certificate o wo mo dia binam ye graduate o ma wie school a mo kita mo certificate kita mo transcript papa bi a mo wa yiye ho wo mo dia kita certificate wo ma nya si wani o wo mo wa certificate no wo ma nya si wani ya ma mo si o okwa wa yiye ho a enkrofo no bebraye ntua mo ka no bo so me 500 Ghana binum kita master's degree a mo kita certificate o mbetima di si woni bi wo ma nya si woni ani o 13 months ne yentua o mo ka mo wa certificate nya si wani 13 months ne yentua o mo ka yes 13 months ni a certificate yentua neka enso si woni de da bi otua no ho ka yes na mo se mo nka ho asem ese parliament bam because order from above ni ye national security operatives no ya doso because sadia we asidia na so mo say omo impersonate with the name of the national security there and yes ankrofo no se man hwehwe omo ma ya hu omo a echna bi wo mo no mindful for us betima kodi bone e de ahye Ghana and this is the time I say hu sa national security operative for na wo mo say o man Ghana dini no makwa say Ghana japade e ti say e say kan ho asem ye mamo emfanko sheba bin kataso anyamnyamya so ye koye nim no na fire service for my men was saying you see fire service my men on my friend no mawusi no mboa on my friend mawusi no no aye letter say recruit for no omunyare omuntiti omusika boso me bi omuntimfiri omakatwam fa mre no na onfa nkofie mawusi no you see sama yesa me katre na yesa me yi film producer how that you picture fato so abra sai 2017 to 2024 motia ni yo krono fire service maame no ene nkrofo bia ka bom fire service board no one person o mo ka bom e bokro no gi sika no ye den e chedi ansa na o makofie fire service maame no mawusi fa ne to so pani picture no fa ne to so na wo hwan na wo no mawusi no pesa kire se wo no wani ateten sa ya kana yete ha no moti office wona se mo fatia wo no kra be fatia dis obi so mu entire no we nyina achi no o pesa kire se ye smart o be fatia wo office wo kra dis obi so mu ansa na wa fatia anto no wo pa kire se wo ye smart wo ye deputy our office wo for 4 years kranta na obegi MPP pension na nya deputy DD no now you deputy 2017 to 2024 fire service recruit to omu wie ye call ye no what is say directors no ma back no ebeka say aban no mu feeding enti so ma wie no mu sika abade a yentete omo because fire service na feed omo na fire service na mo onom no mo wo kapre wo beda kura de say boa ansa na wada wo be faati a de say obi so mu ansa na wa faati wo te office wo say ankrofo omo ko recruit no wow na gigi sika free omo because fire service na ma omo feeding. What are you talking about? In the appointment letter, you can wom, ye mosika say, feeding ye say, yeti feeding no, and sana kakre bekano, ya diaman krano, ufi say yen krawa. Jesa bansi samba, enti oditro, no wa fasasika no. Honorable Montaka. Masro P. Samamino, Opeso Obokro, no this Ministry of Interior, no this kind of coffee. Because Obia Yabafan recruit to Biano. Say 4 months and obey training 9. Nisikana allowance na yadeba manual training one no. Yeti feeding no and sana kakraka yedi aton accountum. Obi oya recruit to biano before ansa na oba pass out no wo mo pass out kura ba fie ansa na sika no a reflect na sika na ba reflect wo ma account mu wo mo te feed ni nyina ansa na o pass out wa ya sana ma 6 months probation letter. Hey mami kese andis ya banti wanya Director General Fire Service and to kwashe babi say and krana mo ko recruit no wo man tua feeding ka na wo to no wo kapra wo di ko feeding and kra 4,000 and to ye den the feeding wo mo because ya mo be appointment letter yes wo school mo 3 months ni nyina na 4 months wo bedie no as say ye man 9,000 Nipa na be pass out to baba fie no mo de 4,000 Ghana and a bre no mo te 5,000 say you feeding me boa bra be kasa me boa hey ma wo si pa otimi to America nko ba ha gene pa otimi to nkrofo America bia ko ba ha gene aye letter say recruit for woman tria feeding etino woman make yamomo up to December say obi amfa feeding na yinimra woman appointment letter ne so no or training grounds honom na allowance yes say the mom no say 9,000 sika no beto o account mu no 4,000 Ghana ne bae ebi de 4,000 krade obi dia obekwa akohwe no only 3,000 and the tomu 6,000 fire service mate say you mu feeding enti ni okwa school na bosomi yesi ebetua 1,500 no enti for that 3 months or say be 6 months sika de be ma nyina no fire service for sika no nyina be how the 2,000 Ghana na ekofie depending on ayi training school na wo ya betini nyina na beka 2,000 pay not the coffee meanwhile all kono and niam obetoto obi bobosia na nipa na wi a wo sana fa kire akogye double money mo dia hunahuna na eto new recruit for no so financial clearance omo di wa parliament no ewom including their feeding nti aba ne say ma akoye letter say wo up to 31st December 2025 so mo metua sika na wo ana mo kopa bosia ba firi wo kwaje bosia no wo bang ben mo misa ma wo sise okwaje bosia no wo bang ben na di ba fidi recruit fo no mo misa no ene cadet fo no okwaje no wo bang ben onya ska no wo hin na di fidi wo mo obi asra ne se on fidi obi mo be kofie na mo pesika kwa na mu didi trogu aban na akofie no me wan kwa na mu ko recruit no nyina no wo mo pass this year enyina no wo ma allowance nyina wo wo school mu no mo fa wo sika wo mo pass out ni ate se ko de 9,000 ne kofie no mo ma na de 3,000 ne kofie e bi di 2,500 ne kofie mo tete sika no nyina enti sika bembiem na wo die mami o ko service ni mu no ankrofo na wo na o ma bopo ne board fire service board na mo pese mo wia Ghana fo nkora wo ma pass out from Ghana a fire service no and they me catcher grow when so better withdraw that letter and send a deep call a free Monday kono ebefuno what dana kesia nyina no o pese emra TV wi so a ebeba catcher play what dana kesia nyina wo pesika wo de yen o pese emra TV so do da ebeba me catcher play nti sa letter fun we better withdraw the letter because krani sika nyina ma disika nyina na whatsa no tirimu de because wo pesika ya japade enti wo ne nkrofo bi akoye kanana financial clearance bia na nado baomia government grant ye bia no na feeding e ka ho bie uko migration feeding wom adentina migration for womun di date womun tire letter say recruit for no mo ba bonten no say nya krono na fire service ma me wo paba immigration for pass out ebinun pass out 2024 the later part of 2024 ebinun pass out 2025 military ebinun pass out the later part of 2024 ebinun pass out 2025 police ebinun pass out the later part of 2025 ebinun pass out 2024 prisons are womumu bi antre letter nka say feeding ayino enkora no mra matua because in the appointment letter no e won sika yede ba ma wo training grant wonom no feeding ne ka ho enti ya ma ko bie bank account sika ne be ba betom no na wo finance department one bank fo no afa sika ne nyina finance department of the Ghana National Fire Service every recruit officer be our account to be ano before sana ni training allowance betom no mate feeding grant na yeden afrimu and why say other security agencies and yes I let away to the recruit ni cadet for no so mo for musika na wo nkwa na wo ye ana wo tie soja ana wo no pese wo kire se wo no fire service yesoronko yesoronko yenso be kire se yenso yesoronko e wo kroma ye ka tro play producer yenko break 2 minutes bi mra na emeto aso
So ojidie wo Nyankopon mu now the whole to us you say be yo say ni pada say be yo say let can one say be yo say nyina pa jina ojidie no na ojidie nam sa ojidie no papa e be hwemu aba ene ye nyina ahu so ojidie wo Nyankopon mu now the whole to us you say be yo say ni pada say be yo say let can one say be yo say nyina pa jina ojidie no na ojidie nam sa ojidie no papa e be hwemu aba ene ye nyina ahu so ojidie wo Nyankopon mu now the hotel so say be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say na ka wan say be yo say ni na pa jina ujidie no na ujidie nam sa ujidie no papa e be sumu aba ene ye nyina ahu so ujidie wo nyakopo mu now the hotel so say be yo say ni pada say ni be yo say na ka wan say be yo say ni na pa jina ujidie no
but the evidence show ewo Ohia TV so ye kwaye nim no na America ne say o man no ese say o man ye yi no man ye yo ne de mra na ye adwuma so hwe eniema e kwaso fa kwabna adubu ahin case ne ho a kwadu amode ball no nyina no a yesi equipment bi wan kram fama ana company na ankasa twere ye de ba Ghana say niama no ye eni ebe deliver niama no e de man National Security Secretariat e kotu da wo mu deliver niama no nyina because entimi masa na nado pen so be kasa obe top pen e de abre o man no one to na nado de be chew enti company na ankasa twere ba say enye kwabna dubu ahin na receive niama now agreement ni mu no kwabna dubu ahin dini mamo eye national security niama enti samo pe niama na mudi bo kwabna dubu ahin kwa do sa equipment na monko National Security Secretariat andisi aban Deputy Attorney General say a Ministry of Justice and say attentine asweye no se say there a Ministry of Injustice and a koso be a Ministry of Injustice in the sense that yoko boss etimi ya press conference a drafted press conference at the command Attorney General enye nokre emomu ridi ekase kwabna dubu ahin wo 22 properties a odo mine sika ne toye na Attorney General de ba bonten ebe ridi press conference no ebua enipa no kwabna dubu ahin fo try no in the court of public opinion man central for any NDC for any some MPP members ebuan for Remacho etimi drafted press conference say why investigation say 22 houses and a branch nato afa de beda di enye nokre nanso time omo say enye nokre no Attorney General fanka ni evidence hono that time na Ministry of Injustice abuan for our court of public opinion ya buan for ama ofa ba bia kwabna dubu an ye kromfo ana ese yo ya ni enim se enye nokra de munko court ana omo de asem no koduru court wo mo de asem no koduru court wa Attorney General twere letter de akwa Bank of Ghana muntie ni yo wa twere letter e de akwa Bank of Ghana say wo mo pay bank statement of the National Signal Bureau transactions ahodo ne kwana o mo fa so use wo mo budget say ekwa parliament na say you approve wo mo budget ma o mo a e bi e beto bibi we di ama o man no for security reason ati say sika we kwa ha ekoye ati say etoka ama President Mahama said ye adubu ahimba list ye no ati say George Bauer e baba G 7 million eko say ekoye ni nyina no for security reasons said you see list ye no ana mokwaje bank statement at the Free Bank of Ghana and the Bank of Ghana mamu the true bank statement of the National Signal Bureau Ebaye no na nye up to date. And a lawyer attachment. I ono na represent Kwabena Adubuahe no. Osi dabi court documents na yede ba no. So kind the Republic versus Stephen Opuni said Agongo and others na Supreme Court to say would obi akoko jina court wa oye accused person no bibia wo state no wo editia accused person no as so making available na accused person no nya copy na otumi respondo sana Supreme Court no yeden e kan ye in the case of the Republic versus Stephen Opuni Sedu Agongo and 2 others Supreme Court decision no say the state duty in this case the Attorney General na or government solicitor general no na said say or finish accused person no all the necessary document now who use no for the accused person to respond to ni ultimate respond to no odi ho fa ni oba ademete no na wa ademete ni oba kase we nye nokore no enye nokore na court na hu whether to admit or to reject so oba rejecting na ya marking into as rejected say oba ademete into evidence ni nyina say Supreme Court to say unya de obi kokogina o mine court to say o mine no wo bi kanko ade na bia wakoso financial loss to the state waye bibia etia man no na ono man na ekwa because every criminal case bia no your man no any accused person no na ekwa me case say many or man no na ekwa na ye be ko akopim say no one so ni bi ebeto ansa na sa jana ye den adum because Santo kwa na yenwie ne enti mo de nipa no kokoduru court no ana mo kwakoje documents yaba documents ya mo ba be yusu di atia no documents ne 300 page ye kan ya 120 page enti ni aka no ana lawyer atatia ogina mu ma Kwabena Adubuahe also monfa documents ni nyina anya den emra because my question state no wo ho ana me grant so mabisa ne nsem e wo ho for explanation documents na disclosures na mo ma no Attorney General Deputy Attorney General I will free the Ministry of Injustice because Attorney General Deputy Attorney General all kokotwa otimi grant interview in the media say oh eni pasuma se de anche ye de ni betum e Ministry of Injustice and omo ye adwuma wo mo nya adwuma o Ministry of Justice omo ye adwuma Ministry of Injustice because the Deputy Attorney General to grant interview say ni pasuma se de by the close of the year near dinatum so ye adwuma o Ministry of Justice here you don't talk like that. You don't talk like that. And to a Ministry of Injustice. Ministry of Injustice in Tina. Kwabena Adubuahe. Womo deny the necessary documents. Now, per the Supreme Court decision, lawyer Atia raise issue no before the judge. Judge say sa documents and appear. Ewo documents ni mu said esi number ye no kra ehu hia for what say one mama dear 1 2 3 my own page my own number 7 my own number 8 my own number 9 what is still amenyin tum say 10 ana Kwabena Adubuahe ne lawyer said dabi emran say wo say ade ne ye 10 as say 10 na mensa ye de eka ana lawyer tatia a move application. Say, oh, he had the full document, you know, because no ne can't ni be gina so. Attorney General say full document ni de yem fam. Question na nyumren say, e dia na woman Attorney General person the full document ni beba. Full document no and this in Crawford by no mudin woman allegedly the Attorney General is hiding that document. Because the alleged document na Attorney General hiding no. It has been alleged say and Crawford beginning woman and this for and untina sa document no allegedly Attorney General person de bema kwabena duboahe any lawyer attaching. Na as an accused person per the law no or you entitled to any document be prosecution be use atiano. Lawyer attaching file application to demand the rest of the documents now mututu free muna. Judge ne say on grantee application no. Emma lawyer attaching a file stay of proceedings. Wa file stay of proceedings say sa refuse na judge ne yes say documents no wa monfa makwabna duboahe no e so the court of appeal and to stay no enamne e baas wo no enti akina mote se kwabna duboahe case no adru court of appeal na ye because of say eniema injustice ya Deputy Attorney General Eddie Kwabna Duboahe kom enu ntina case no akwakodru court of appeal because documents say ye de Kwabna Duboahe Attorney General na no masem say document A, document B, document C and Kwabna Duboahe fa ne nyina ama me because me be gina da kama obe bisam question Supreme Court say sa documents ni nyina no fa ne nyina ama mo say yem pamma no Supreme Court o say fa sa documents ni nyina ama accused person no Attorney General Deputy Attorney General say on famma enti next day no mo course no kire say wama file appeal against the judge no refuse say wama fa document no emma the accused person no nti asem no duru court of appeal no eno ntina Dr. Dominic Anyine ohun say case we throughout the case no mo pa watch my lips and mark my lips to say Dr. Dominic Anyine Kwabna Duboahe case no on si court da kopinso mbedi asem bewi. I am prophesying on this show said Dr. Dominic Anyine or si Kwabna Duboahe case no who in the spiritual realm on si what that because a kwana case in fa so starting you know he was misled by the Yoko Executive Secretary Raymond Acha. He was misled. And no man information be at the end of the day no Attorney General nanka so ye pemu no ehun say ye man wrong info and no dem ba media enu nti na watwe ne ho no enti anko because Attorney General nanka sa kokko to ho a enam say ono na ye press conference ninti issues about press conference in summer or can ye di bua Kwabna Duboahe kumfo ama ye di death warrant sign in the court of public opinion no ye ba main court no Attorney General ni gina ho asansem no ontimi nka ne courtroom nti watwe ne ho Africase no ena ne deputy ena e safa ho to say akroma e safa akokoba ho antana wafa no ni deputy na safa case no because Attorney General now will say ekwana remoacha ye case no ekwana remoacha fa so se case ni de beto na nim no e set up wa komodi disgrace no ntina no ape ba bia ye den afa na wa pe ba bia fa ne say Deputy Attorney General and as say no or display injustice in the case because why a request and your court na your request no wo deputy attorney general no wo na your request the call Bank of Ghana and a Bank of Ghana the full statement amount statement ni ba be duru court wa afa the pages no enso pages ni bia yira film fa full pages ni bra deputy attorney general so on fa pages ni ma all because what they cannot kase by the close of the year no na or the Kwabena Dubu ahiatum na Kwabena Dubu ahia fe de o ka asem enye yie no ade obetima ya ne say pages ni bi yira appeal ni na down no stay ni na down no e kire say ye court of appeal enti na de wo ye bia no eye documents o man fa ma Kwabena Dubu ahia and the lawyer requested court to say oh you have the full documents na court no deputy attorney general request ni tum so monfa ma no eno won notice of appeal and a lawyer attach yan file ye and no file stay e ka ho enti ye free stay no so dia na appeal na ya file na nkasa no e court of appeal e ho na court of appeal be determine say Adubu ahi entitled to the document na deputy attorney general hide no because or you accused person and per the decision of the Republic versus Stephen Opuni and others, no. Kwabena Dubu ahi entitled to the entire document and you have half documents. Now, Deputy Attorney General odi asem wo media. Na on can full sentence enkom mo pa mo study Deputy Attorney General. Mo hun say sa Attorney General we can full sentence asida the Deputy Attorney General mun study no because obi an brofu nye bia no on can sentence manin sida and sa no de nam ho and on nkrofo bi grass bawa num kuku because o mo pay about deputy na no obedi deputy na no obedi nyame ya doma Parliament so yate so mo ye nhihye o mu guso den at the Constitutional Committee o mo ye nhihye na nhihye na e ba no de o nhwe yi a o mu wie mra no de a special prosecutor ne office no mbetima gunu na so mu gunu de a e bia o mo so o mo kan bom o mo ye mra na o maka yoko ene special prosecutor office no edi abom no mo kan bom dia ene e behwe Remo Acha ene special prosecutor why ne be stay because ye ba be kan bom samre so sankrofo no mienu sisia in the government no wo mo nka Remo Acha ene kisia jaben e won tokwa kese e wo social media no so Adabiano Remo Acha boys atiasi kisia jaben so kisia jaben boys so atiasi omo so sana ntokwa na yere ejina mu den because Remo Acha so de ye mopa ye ntwasi command centrofo bi to say black rasta no mo nko didi nkrofo bi ono omo wo personal issues atem to say na no black rasta je kakra she ne ho a also sledge mu doctor sledge mu because bibi akasa no wa yire ne ho ebom no case bia ne wa Remo Acha ye okrom ha eye papa oba ye ma hu se wa ye case wa ti obi detain no 2 weeks 3 weeks Remo Acha tima file charge sheet amedi ni pana kokoto da mun kama minti apart from Adubu ahi case ya okokwa ye ya odi trotire attorney general de ba media se se wo koto a anwe na omuso enu enkofo Remo Acha detenu omu kroma nyina no ya ma omu 50 million bail ya ma omu 10 million bail ya yese nu mo hu se Remo Acha atima ye charge sheet at the sankrofo na kokot because sisi ameno kase no Remo Acha kro ya yo ba kofo one Remo Acha oni attorney general na nkasa o mo nkasa because of the Kwabena Dubu ahi case e tro di kire no ema attorney general begu no ho animase one Remo Achayi oni attorney general na nkasa Dr. Dominic Anyine they are not in good terms. Remo Achakro ya oni Kisia Jabin special prosecutor they are not in good terms. Enti ye hwese say no the constitutional committee now we try to amend the special prosecutor special protection act no OSP act no they are trying to amend it. They are trying to merge amendment na no man merge with the Iyoko and the Iyoko act ni nyina no ene special prosecutor act ni nyina no wo beka ni nyina bom na ma ye ne mra baako enti ye ba benya one office ebia 2 deputies in beka wana 1 deputy ni nya special prosecutor papa wo fi say wo no we agree wo ma hu say Remo Acha so nya papa enti yen kamom na fere yam ni entum because wo ha mra na edi bi o office ni asesa mra no se mra no sesa de bibia ye den asesa and o betima retain you na mom new appointment de o betima ye betima reassign you to the Attorney General Ministry because special prosecutor office no ehye Attorney General say Iyoko ehye Attorney General say and to omo wi a won betima reassign Kisia Jabin to the office of the Attorney General untimi anu wa resign womo wi a they can reassign Remo Acha to the Attorney General office untimi anu wa resign because womo mi ansa ni nyina no Dominic Anyine dia san ko no nshada ni problem sa na mom sa nkofo no na ema ni problem na ne ema ni problem kase pa ye Remo Acha Dr. Dominic Anyine na Attorney General no se reshuffle kan na e Remo Acha because cases ya Remo Acha ye nyina de brand bia enya papa enti Anyine problem awanya Dominic Anyine problem awanya and this if one be di na tem nyina no enya Dominic Anyine e Remo Acha na oti Iyoko hwa why say only asem papa on fa case papa nko na why so be blackmail and this if one be no and this if one nim pepe say Remo Acha ntimi nya adwuma no na nam to blackmail o munti o musuro no why na betima yere akanasem obi antimi nyere enkanasem ena omugum saa ye wa ha ye hwe montokwa ne de enkoso na brebre na omuwie atena eni ebe hu ne qualify ene ne qualify see ye de tikroma constitutional committee ni kwa akoye mra na ba omo ba be kan Iyoko ene OSP office na ye den abom ye kan bom aye no one ni ewia ene ebe hu ne qualify ene ne nyere en qualify ye de tikroma e ho na ebe hu say ebinum wo genuine certificate ana binum ni certificate ni bi na mom enkuro bi dini ana o matwatwa ye den ahihye so ye de tikroma eboboba o eboboba e ho na ebe hu say obi wo certificate ana obi ni certificate ye de tikroma eboboba e ho na ehu say adwuma na afa na ebe ya adwuma na bi betima ya na obi ntimi nyere enye sa kwachi obi nkwasi atie bia na adena ba be show for 25 million bra for 50 million bra for this bra da bi nya na ye hwehwe ye koye nim ye